Hello, traders. I want to visit with you just a little bit about today's price action. The morning was awful, choppy, choppy, choppy. We had this new day opening gap. It wanted to work the heck out of it. There were some opportunities. We opened with a gap, we filled it, we came down, we took the low, went way back up to the top of the end dog right away. The last up close candle is right here. You could get in long there for a push to the top of the end dog. Um, I do believe I did take that trade. I was wanting it to come back down to this breaker, but it didn't quite make it. But I went ahead, when it reversed, I went ahead and went long to the top of the end dog and also high of the day. And then we whipped all the way back down. We took liquidity, worked our way back up to the bottom of the new day opening gap. And then things got a little bit messy. After lunch, we started going up right here at 11:46. We started going up, kind of chopped there, up, 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 push down. But look at that. We did not take those lows. When I saw that, I was like, okay, we're leaving liquidity here. So we're going to have a reversal at some point. And so what I started doing was I took my line, and each time we would start to pull back, I would mark it as a potential bearish breaker. Okay. So I would just mark the bottom of it and see if we were going to push below it. Nope, didn't do it on that one. Then I moved it up here. We didn't do it on that one. I moved it up here. We didn't do it on that one. And I just kept working it up. Each time we made a new high, I would mark the breaker, the potential breaker, every time. And then finally, we get way up here, and I marked that one because of this pullback. But it's kind of ambiguous because it's also the run on liquidity, but it is the last down close candle. It just happened to be occurred during the run on liquidity. And look at that PD array. We pushed through with a fair value gap. We came back up, touched the breaker, fell out of bed. And that was my trade of the day right there. That was a really nice one. And where did we aim? This liquidity right here. Had a little bit of sweat, but we got there. Once we got here, what happened? We took that liquidity, pushed down a little bit into the end dog, took some of that liquidity, left this. We had an exhaustion wick. And so the same thing as the market was moving down, I'm marking out these breakers. Just the high. Don't need to do both of them unless you just want to. But I'm marking them out. Okay, that one didn't become a breaker. Mark this one. Oh, that one had not yet become a breaker. Now we made a new low. So every time we make a new low, you got to move your line down. And so I moved it down to here. I framed the bottom. We got a new low here. Looks like an exhaustion wick. So I'm really eyeballing this one. It was not as clean of movement, but we did push through with a fair value gap. We came back down, touched it twice, and we went on. We went on a little run there. Now we just pulled back here. This is saying to me, we're leaving this liquidity. We're leaving it right there. We could take out the high of the day and still maintain this breaker. But to me, why didn't we take that? We're saving it for later. So I'm thinking we're probably going to go back up to that breaker and then fall back out of bed and just stay in this little range right here. But I'm done trading for the day. I just wanted to show you those two really nice setups. I can get rid of this so we don't even have it on the chart. We're not looking at it, but it's just the new day opening gap. I like to mark those out because price does like to revisit them. So yeah, 2 PD arrays, PM session. This one started at 1:30. That's about the time it's been doing it. When we touched it again, was 133. And then we came down, took liquidity, 2 o'clock, we reversed again. So yeah, those two, very nice PD arrays. Shrink. We got a bearish breaker. We got a bullish breaker. Morning sessions have been, let's take all your money sessions. But the evening sessions, afternoon sessions, I've been seeing this. And it's been occurring around 1:30. Several days have been 1:30. Sometimes it's a little earlier, like 12:30. But that is a very, very nice reversal patterns. All right. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. I love each and every one of you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And I hope you can use some of this information to help you trade better in the future. Just be patient. The setups do come. They come every day. I haven't seen a single day in a month where they didn't come. Sometimes it's real muddy, but they do come. So I hope y'all all have a great weekend. If you haven't if you like the video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. The more subscribers I get, the more people will be referred to this channel. And yeah, I would like for the channel to grow a bit. I want to help as many people as I can. One last for a screenshot right there. Touch, touch. Y'all have a good weekend.